Welcome! Today let's walk through a simple step-by-step guide on how to allow personalizing based on places you've been on the X, formerly Twitter, app for PC. If you've noticed a new update and you're wondering how to enable this feature for a more tailored experience, this video will show you exactly what to do. First, open the X app on your computer. Once it's up, take a look at the main menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see several options there, but what you want to click on is the one labeled More. It's near the bottom of the menu, and it opens up a list of additional settings you can manage. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where most of your account controls are housed, including your privacy and data management tools. Once you're inside, select Privacy and Safety. This section controls how your data is used and how your experience is customized. Now, find the option called Location Information. This part is all about how X uses your location data to adjust what you see, like recommendations, trends, and ads. Click on it to open the detailed settings. Here, you'll see a checkbox labeled Personalize based on places you've been. To allow X to customize your experience using the locations you visited, simply check this box. If you ever change your mind, you can come back and uncheck it just as easily. And that's it, it's that straightforward. Once you've enabled this feature, X will begin tailoring your timeline, recommendations, and ads using location-based signals. It can help you discover more local topics and connect with what's happening near you or in the places you frequently visit. Keeping control of your privacy and personalization settings ensures that your online experience fits your preferences. So now you know how to activate personalizing based on the places you've been in the latest X app update for PC. Thanks for watching.